Hello everyone, I'm Natsumi and I am member of Resource Economics and Policy Laboratory, Faculty of Agriculture, Iwate University. Now I'm going to introduce you to some of the research we are doing. Let's start. We are conducting research to estimate the amount of resources from limited data. In our current study, we are using the coast of Iwate Prefecture as a case study to estimate the abundance of various fish species. Japanese fishery is a multi-species catch, so we are targeting various species. One of the characteristics of fishery resources is that they can be reproduced. This means that the resource can be used permanently through proper catch management. Estimation of stock abundance is a necessary concept for sustainable fisheries because it helps determine the appropriate amount of catch that can be caught. Our goal is to use fewer data to estimate stock dynamics for a lot of fish species. Now, the background of this study is the Amendment of Fisheries Act in 2080s. With this division, species that have not been managed are now covered, and management of each local stock has become necessary. These changes have also created new problems. One of these is the lack of data and human resources. The current method used by the government to estimate resources is called VPA, Virtual Population Analysis, and uses data such as age-rank skills. Such kind of data consume time and manpower to collect, and the conduction survey of multiple species is a huge burden for researchers and fishermen. Against this background, there is a need to develop general-purpose methods for assessing resources from existing data. So we are trying to solve this problem with the Bayesian method. We are using Bayesian approach. This model has some benefits. The first is that they can realistically account for both observation and process error. The second is that the uncertainty is easy to interpret. The third is the ability to easily handle non-normally distributed and non-linear data. The fourth point is that prior information can be incorporated into parameter. We estimated a variety of fish species like pollock and cod. In this video, I'd like to introduce you the result of the flounder of Iwate. BMs will represent the maximum sustained catch. After the 2011 earthquake and tsunami, the flounder stock recovered due to reduced catches, but stock levels have been below BMSY since 2040s. Based on results, we'd like to conduct future research to determine if the estimate results are consistent for the species as well. After that, we plan to work on 2 points for practical use: how to estimate from the limited data and how to utilize it for resource management. Thank you very much for your attention. We members are doing a lot of another researches in our laboratory, so please watch another video if you like.